How to reactivate a deleted TikTok account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you'll find different options. Head towards the option of profile given at the bottom right corner. With that you will land to this kind of page. Now at the very bottom you can find this option of already have an account, login. Tap on that option. From here you have to select the option use phone, email or username. Tap on that. If you opted to permanently delete your TikTok account, you will only be able to reactivate the account within 30 days of requesting permanent deletion of your account. After completion of 30 days of requesting permanent deletion of your account, you won't be able to reactivate it. Now you can type in your credentials associated with your TikTok account. You can type in the phone number or also you can type in your username or email. Here I'm gonna type in my email and password. If you want to save your login info, you can check in for this option. After you are done, you can tap on this option of login. And you will get this kind of pop-up, reactivate your TikTok account. Tap on the option reactivate. With that, you will be logged into your TikTok account. So this is how you can easily reactivate your deleted TikTok account. I hope now you guys are clear about how to reactivate a deleted TikTok account. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.